What's up, guys? We just got to BJ's Performance shop to drop off this motor. We're gonna be taking it apart today as I take it inside. We've just kind of been wanting to drop this off, and we'll get it apart. We're gonna take it apart today and overhaul it. So yeah, I mean, show you what Jason's got again, like these nice skis in his trailer. Check this out. So yeah, we're gonna basically be taking it apart. I love this place, that's for sure. I definitely like coming here. Sorry for not being very active, but you know, the drill, quarantine life. Yeah. Jason, where do you want this?
Just put on that.
So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So as we take a break and take apart this ski and rebuild the motor, I guess I could tell you guys what's kind of going on. We're sitting there rebuilding the motor for one of my skis, and just because it hasn't been rebuilt in a while, with us rebuilding it, it kind of limits things from happening that we don't want, and it makes it pretty much like brand new, so it's kind of fun. And yeah, so I guess back to work. Well, now I'm off to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed the little time-lapse thing. And I'm gonna go eat right now, and you guys get to see that right now, I guess. But first I gotta find somewhere to eat because of the quarantine and curfew stuff that's going on. So we'll see what happens. The line for In-N-Out was way too long, so I decided to get McDonald's. So yeah, decided to get a Big Mac, and that'll be it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It's probably a longer one than I normally do, but yeah, so thanks for watching. I feel like I'm getting more confident doing these, so yeah, thank you. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you soon. I know we're gonna hit the water shortly, maybe in the next week. So I will see you then, I guess. And anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, I guess, subscribe and watch what I do, I guess, for my life. So thanks for watching.